Hey, 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 hey. This is Lucy, the street cat, the kitten, I mean, that I'm trying to figure out whether she's hungry or not, whether I need to give it formula. Tried to, I tried to, um, I tried to find its mother, and I never take away a kitten from its mother. That's what I never do. And if I keep it, what I'll do is just work hard on Postmates fleet and make sure it just runs around. You can just run around the house or around my room. Because I know your favorite corners. I'm sorry. I don't have another cat, so it's just my brother meowing. I can't let them see. Can you stop meowing? I can't let them know that you're here. Yet. I can't let them know that you're here yet. I can't let my brother and sister know that you're here yet. And I just had him cleaned. And me and my father just washed him. And I got him under the Mustang. Under the car. My dad was about to start the car. And all of a sudden, he heard a meow. A kitten meowing. And he found him. And we both found him or her. I can't tell. I didn't take him to the veterinarian yet. So I think I'm gonna take him to the veterinarian. I'm probably gonna get you a name tag. If I keep you. PetSmart. I have my 2 credit cards from Postmates Fleet and I can pay for you already. I can pay for a small bag where I can keep you safe and warm with this. And maybe buy a baby blankie for a kitten. Buy you a baby blankie. First, I gotta take you to a veterinarian to find out how many months you are. so I can find out what else to buy you. You like that, don't you? You like this. You like the toothbrush. I know you want to wander around. Look. I know you want to wander around. I know you want to wander around, but your mother, I don't know where she is. No. Gonna get fur all over my damn bed. Gonna get fur over my all over my bed. This don't have a vibration on. I don't know if this street cat got abandoned, but I can't find the mother. And I can't find the... I can't find any of your brothers. Be a good girl or boy. Be a good girl. Hey, no. Please. You're gonna get fur all over my bed. So if I take it to the vet, what would everybody recommend? Take it to the shelter. I really want to keep the cat, but I do have a job in Postmates Fleet, trust me. Everybody knows that I have a job in Postmates Fleet. Oh crap, get in there. Cause I'm making him.
Termínalo de cepillar y déjalo ahí donde estaba como lo pusiste. Ahí.
Okay. You like it right there, right? Right there, right there, there. So you don't catch any fleas. So you don't catch any fleas. Yesterday you were dirty. Here, your favorite corner is in my corner, isn't it? I don't know why people own alligators. I used to own a dog. Don't go on me because you're gonna get fur everywhere. Hey, no. No. Get fur in your box. On top of your box, okay? Look at the camera. No, don't come outside the box. You're gonna get fur everywhere. I don't like it. I don't like fur. Got fur all over my shirt last time, and then I had to change my shirt, and I had to put it on my rubber sucia, and I had to